Now, a story you'll see only on Eyewitness News. We uncovered that a convicted level 3 sex offender is living right next to a preschool. And what's surprising is that police can't do anything about it.
It's part of a larger issue regarding sex offenders being able to find housing. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado joins us now with this exclusive.
In 2015, lawmakers passed a law keeping the highest level of sex offenders 1,000 feet away from a school. But an immediate legal challenge means police have not been able to charge anyone under the law, nor can they make offenders move. It was mid-September when police put out a code red sex offender notification about a man living in a Cranston neighborhood who had sexually assaulted 2 women. He's level 3 at high risk to reoffend.
In this instance, the property directly abuts the preschool, so you can imagine the concern that's there.
Cranston Police Colonel Michael Winquist says neighbors started calling to complain. Someone put up a handwritten sign.
And obviously, those laws are in effect to protect people in the neighborhood.
For 2 years, police haven't been able to enforce the law that keeps level 3 sex offenders 1,000 feet from schools. Because of a class action lawsuit brought by 6 sex offenders, a federal judge put a temporary restraining order on the 1,000-foot rule.
Right now, there's nothing to stop somebody from living immediately next to a school.
Nothing happened. No child was harmed that precipitated this law.
Megan Smith from the House of Hope and other advocates mobilized after the 1,000-foot law was passed. Reaching out to sex offenders, the ACLU helped file the suit, in part claiming school was being interpreted so broadly it included places like dance schools or yoga studios.
Had the 1,000-foot law been implemented, it would have put 64% of the city of Providence off limits.
She says even without the 1,000-foot rule, few landlords are willing to rent to sex offenders. Dozens in Rhode Island are therefore homeless, staying in Cranston's Harrington Hall, one of the only shelters that accepts them. A tenuous arrangement because a state law passed just last week would sharply limit how many registered sex offenders can live in one homeless shelter.
If it is, in fact, signed by the governor and implemented, it would make 40 to 50 people immediately street homeless.
She says that could pose a problem both for the offenders and the public, and police say homeless sex offenders are difficult to track.
By having somebody have a permanent residence, statistics show that they're less likely to offend.
And with that residency requirement still in legal limbo, there are still strict requirements for sex offenders. They still have to report their addresses to the registry, and you can check that registry on WPRI.com. In Cranston, I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.